Unfold an immersive workspace wherever you roam with a 17.3-inch QHD 2560 by 1920 display engineered for serious clarity and color precision. The Asus Zencreen Fold OLED is designed to eliminate compromise. Its innovative water drop hinge folds seamlessly, giving you a massive screen in a compact footprint. With display HDR 500 True Black and full 100% DCI-P3 color coverage, every pixel brings rich contrast and lifelike tones, which is ideal for content creators, coders, and professionals demanding accuracy on the go. The Fisto Cucha stands out as a revolutionary piece of furniture designed to integrate seamlessly into modern living spaces. With 12 cutting-edge features, this smart couch station is a game-changer for anyone looking to combine comfort, technology, and functionality. At the heart of this innovative design is the inclusion of essential home features. A built-in fan ensures air circulation, keeping you cool and comfortable no matter the season. The RGB light system lets you set the mood with customizable colors, whether you're relaxing or entertaining guests. The Fantic Slim Vive 8 is an efficient, portable cleaning tool designed to tackle dirt and debris wherever it accumulates. With a powerful 19,000 Pascal suction power, this mini cordless vacuum makes quick work of cleaning your car, office desk, or even keyboards. Equipped with 2 suction modes, the Slim V8 offers versatility for different cleaning tasks, whether you're handling light dust or more stubborn debris. Katus has redefined portability and performance with the Mind, a powerful yet compact device designed for the modern creator. Weighing just 0.99 pounds and smaller than an A4 sheet, the Mind delivers impressive mobility without compromising on power. Equipped with a 5.55 watt-hour battery, it offers up to 25 hours of sleep mode, ensuring you're always prepared for your next creative challenge. Navigating everyday life no longer requires compromise with the Shuo Bro. Designed to handle curbs, single steps, and full staircases, Bro's advanced track system powers you up and down straight stairs smoothly and securely. Whether indoors or outdoors, you remain in full control, free from unnecessary detours. Bro's dynamic 2-wheel drive offers unparalleled maneuverability, effortlessly crossing surfaces and obstacles up to 2 inches high. The Naritva 20-in-1 bread maker offers a seamless baking experience, designed to bring both convenience and creativity into your kitchen. With 20 customizable programs, you can bake everything from basic white bread to gluten-free, cake, pizza dough, and even yogurt. It has a large 2 pounds loaf capacity, perfect for serving families or guests. This machine allows you to select from 3 crust color options: light, medium, and dark, ensuring your bread is baked just the way you like it. Crafted into a pen-sized powerhouse engineered for professionals who demand control, clarity, and versatility. This isn't just a tool, it's an evolution in rotary technology. With built-in Wi-Fi connectivity and a camera that streams real-time visuals to your mobile device, you get eyes exactly where you need them, even in the tightest spaces. Whether you're working on fine engraving, micro repairs, or jewelry detailing, every motion is guided with unmatched precision. The Dream X50 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop offers a seamless cleaning experience for modern homes. Equipped with 20,000 Pascal suction power, this device provides a thorough deep clean, efficiently picking up dust, dirt, and debris across multiple surfaces. Its advanced obstacle avoidance technology ensures smooth navigation around furniture and obstacles, preventing any bumps or interruptions to its cleaning path. Transform how you interact with your curtains using the Odor Kerbit automatic curtain opener and closer. Designed for modern living, this sleek device offers seamless integration with a wide range of smart assistant apps, providing hands-free control over your home's natural lighting. Whether you're starting your morning or winding down at night, effortless automation is now at your fingertips. Built with adaptability in mind, the Odor Kerbit comes ready to work with I-rails, U-rails, and traditional rod hooks, making it a versatile addition to nearly any home setup. The Sam and Johnny Openar headphones are engineered to provide exceptional sound quality and comfort with the latest in audio technology. These headphones leverage Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity for seamless pairing, ensuring a stable and powerful connection with your devices. Featuring innovative bone and air conduction dual speakers, the headphones deliver a unique listening experience that keeps you aware of your surroundings while offering crisp, clear audio. The magnetic microphone enhances the clarity of calls, making them ideal for hands-free conversations on the go. The Petkit Purabot Ultra is a cutting-edge, self-cleaning cat litter box designed to offer convenience and hygiene. With advanced features such as AI camera technology and 5G Wi-Fi control via a phone app, it's tailored for modern pet owners. The Purabot Ultra is engineered to make waste disposal as seamless as possible, with true hands-free auto-scooping that activates with each use. Transform your fitness routine with the Muscle Railboard, a compact and efficient solution for home workouts. This all-in-one gym setup is designed to provide a comprehensive training experience in a space-saving package. The Muscle Railboard combines the functionality of multiple fitness tools into one sleek device, allowing you to perform a variety of exercises without the need for bulky equipment. Its sturdy frame and adjustable design accommodate a wide range of exercises, from strength training to flexibility routines. The Samsung NZ6 900TM integrates innovation and style with a cooktop that enhances both performance and design. Offering a powerful 575M32H ventilation system, this hob captures cooking vapors and odors swiftly, ensuring your kitchen stays fresh without the need for a separate hood. This clever design allows for flexible installation, even on an island table, while keeping the air clean and crisp. Modern workflows demand more than just speed. They need clarity, control, and comfort. Zupi answers that call with a workstation built for those who move effortlessly between multiple devices. Whether you're designing, coding, editing, or managing content, this platform transforms the everyday grind into seamless efficiency. Experience dual device control like never before. With one keyboard and mouse, switch between your laptop and tablet or desktop without breaking momentum. The GlobalMe Pet Phone offers an innovative way to monitor and care for your pet, combining real-time tracking with health management. Equipped with a super tracker, it ensures you can pinpoint your pet's exact location, whether near or far, using light and sound for easy identification. This makes it ideal for outdoor adventures or simply keeping tabs around the house. Its secure geofence feature adds an extra layer of safety by setting predefined boundaries. If your pet strays outside this area, you'll receive instant alerts ensuring they remain safe at all times. Gone are the days of awkward setups and clunky gear. The Lawn Chariot transforms how you approach outdoor lounging and gear hauling with a smart, compact design that moves when you do. With its fold-and-go structure, this versatile tool adapts to your needs. Built for portability, it folds down fast and fits neatly in your trunk. As a wagon, it hauls coolers, chairs, and more across grass, sand, or pavement with ease. When it's time to relax, flip it into a sturdy, ergonomic chair designed for comfort without compromise. Precision meets elegance in the low-free flow, an ultra-thin, low-profile mechanical keyboard built to elevate your daily typing experience. At just under 1 inch thick, its streamlined silhouette slips seamlessly into minimalist workspaces while still delivering the tactile satisfaction enthusiasts expect. Outfitted with Kyle-full palm switches, each keystroke feels buttery smooth with minimal friction, ensuring a refined, consistent typing feel across the board. The Hatto 12-volt rotary toolkit offers precision and versatility for a range of tasks. With a powerful brushless motor that reaches up to 35,000 RPM, this tool is built for high efficiency and durability. Its 12-volt system ensures consistent power, while the 3,000 mAh battery provides extended use, allowing for long hours of uninterrupted work. Designed with stability in mind, this rotary tool ensures smooth and controlled operation. Built for steep streets and long rides, the InMotion Climber redefines the electric scooter experience with a dual 750-watt motor system that generates a combined peak of 1,500-watt power. This robust setup propels the climber to speeds up to 23.6 miles per hour, even when facing demanding inclines and heavy riders up to 286 pounds. Its hill climbing capabilities are backed by an advanced torque system and independent dual-wheel drive that grips the pavement confidently. Imagine finishing a meeting, unzipping your lunch setup, and dining with ease. Anywhere. Fold Eat transforms instantly from a slim pack into a full eating mat, offering a clean table at the office, the park, or even an impromptu dinner date. No clumsy setups, just pull the zipper and you're ready. Fold Eat's compact design adapts to your day. 1 or 2 containers for light days, 3 for gym sessions, or 4 for a full day's worth of meals. Carry it or leave it packed. It's flexible by design. Built to meet the highest standards of everyday durability, this bottle isn't just a container. It's an engineered shield for your drinks. Crafted from 316 stainless steel, the S+ Pure Thermos keeps content secure, fresh, and at the ideal temperature for hours. Whether you're navigating daily commutes or tackling rugged trails, its rugged, corrosion-resistant body stands up to constant use in harsh conditions without leaching any flavor or harmful residue. The Yabber Pico T1 mini projector is a breakthrough in portability and performance. Developed over 3 years by Yabber's R&D team, this compact device is designed for effortless travel. Its built-in power bank ensures you can enjoy your content anywhere, even without access to an external power source. Equipped with advanced DLP technology, the Pico T1 delivers impressive brightness with 110 ANSI lumens, double the brightness of typical mini projectors. Forged through relentless craftsmanship, the HubPack 33 emerges as a symbol of ultimate security and precision. Every seam and compartment reflects 2,000 painstaking hours of engineering mastery, combining 333 unique parts into a fortress you can carry. Designed for those who demand more than ordinary protection, the HubPack 33 redefines travel with an unwavering focus on security and innovation. No more huffing and puffing over steaming bowls or scorching sips, this tiny companion handles the cooling for you. Nekojita Fufu brings precision and charm to every meal with a whisper of technology. Slide it onto the rim of your cup or let it perch on your plate's edge, and within 3 minutes, your food or drink cools down to a comfortable temperature. Tested with 158 degrees Fahrenheit water, it performs like a breeze, literally. Its kitten-like paws grip dishware from 0.08 to 0.23 inches thick, adapting easily to mugs, bowls, and even ramen cups. The Samsung Bespoke AI Hybrid Refrigerator 4-door refrigerator seamlessly integrates cutting-edge AI technology with modern convenience, offering more than just food storage. Its large screen allows you to share photos, stream videos, and access recipes, making it an entertainment hub right in your kitchen. Built with SmartThings, it brings your family closer, letting you control smart appliances, receive notifications, and even purchase essentials from Amazon directly through the fridge. When adventure calls, your meals shouldn't fall behind. Whether you're trailblazing through rugged backcountry or relaxing on the shoreline, the StoviGo folds out to meet your hunger head-on. This isn't just a grill, it's an innovation in outdoor cooking. Designed to deliver heat from the top down, StoviGo preserves color, texture, and bold flavor in every bite. From sizzling steaks to crispy pizzas, it brings kitchen-quality performance right into the wild. Engineered with a cutting-edge far-infrared burner, this grill reduces gas use while speeding up cook times and keeping food warm. The Divoom Backpack M is a unique fusion of style, functionality, and innovation, designed to cater to the needs of anime enthusiasts and motorcyclists alike. With its customizable LED screen, this backpack offers a perfect blend of practicality and creativity, allowing users to express themselves through personalized animations and messages. Whether for anime raves, bike rides, or simply making a statement, this feature adds a touch of individuality to the bag. The AOC Zoe A1X stands out as a high-performance portable device engineered for seamless multitasking and immersive experiences. Powered by the AMD HX370 chipset, it ensures rapid processing and effortless handling of demanding tasks. The device is equipped with an 8-inch native landscape display, boasting a 120Hz refresh rate that enhances fluidity and responsiveness. Whether for gaming, media consumption, or productivity, the variable refresh rate display optimizes visuals for every type of content. Plivo's smart backpack and duffel bag redefines travel convenience with cutting-edge features and unmatched versatility. Available in two distinct products, Smart Backpack and Duffel Bag, these designs come in 4 different sizes, ensuring an ideal fit for every journey, whether short or long. With the integration of Smart Lock technology, users enjoy a seamless, secure experience, unlocking the bag with Face ID, Touch ID, or even Morse code for a touch of novelty. Introducing the future of connectivity, the Super Cable 2.0, engineered to exceed every expectation. Designed to deliver lightning-fast speeds of up to 120 gigabits per second and handle power demands of up to 240 watts, this cable is a true game changer. Whether you're powering multiple 8K displays or transferring massive amounts of data, the Super Cable 2.0 ensures seamless performance every time. Step onto precision with Lefu, where science meets simplicity in every weigh-in. This isn't your average bathroom scale. It's an intelligent health monitor powered by 8 precision electrodes. Each step activates a full-body analysis, diving deeper than just pounds and ounces. It tracks 58 different body data metrics, including visceral fat, metabolic age, body water, protein rate, and muscle mass. The Nostalgia Retro drink maker brings a classic touch of soda fountain charm to your kitchen. With its vintage-inspired design, it's not just about making drinks, it's about recreating the magic of old-fashioned milkshakes and malts. This versatile machine is perfect for crafting thick milkshakes, malted drinks, and even health-conscious beverages, making it a fun addition to any home kitchen. Equipped with a 100-watt motor, this milkshake maker offers 2 speeds for precise control over drink consistency. The Thiku Neck Cooler offers an innovative way to stay cool and comfortable in any environment. This personal cooling device is designed to provide immediate relief during hot weather or hot flashes, ensuring you stay calm and productive. Equipped with advanced cooling technology, the device lowers your body temperature, helping to reduce discomfort caused by excessive heat or sudden temperature changes.